Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your YouTube channel link to Reddit. The first thing you're going to do is open YouTube. Once on the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. Then select your channel. After selecting your channel, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner and you want to select share. Then you are going to tap on copy link. After you have copied the link, you are going to go into Reddit. Once on Reddit, you are going to tap on the avatar or your profile pic in the top left hand corner. Then select my profile. And from here, you are going to tap on add social link. Then you are going to tap on YouTube. And right where you see HTTPS, you're going to tap right there and you're going to paste the link right there. Then if you want, you could add display text right here. So you could type in my channel, for example. Then tap on save. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.